my family. This is my father.
Hello.
This is my mother.
Hello.
This is my big sister. Hello. This is my little brother. This is me. Oh, I love up on earth. Now I'm going to read the story. Sam. This is the Sam.
My name is Sam.
This is the story of a very bad boy. This is Sam. Before breakfast, Sam ate 10 cookies. For breakfast, Sam's mother fed egg and ham, pancake and juice and milk. I'm not hungry, said Sam, and I'm not thirsty. I don't want to eat no breakfast. Before lunch, Sam ate ice cream and jam. For lunch, Sam's mother made pizza, hamburgers, and hot dogs. I'm not hungry, said Sam. I don't want to eat lunch. Before snack time, Sam ate 5 donuts. For a snack, Sam's mother fixed popcorn and little cheese sandwiches. I'm not hungry, said Sam. I don't want to eat a snack. Before dinner, Sam ate some cake and cheese. For dinner, Sam's mother made turkey, noodles, salad, and bread and butter. I'm full, said Sam. I don't want to eat dinner. But then he ate some candy. When it was time to go to bed, Sam could not go to sleep. My stomach hurt, he cried. So the blind Sam, who ate 2 minutes of red eater soup and spaghetti, your rice and your meat. What if we 2 minutes your start just like that? The end.
Do you want to eat?
It? No, I don't.
Why?
If I eat 2 minutes, I will be sad, just like that. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.